Hi B team. Are you aware that the most misunderstood stroke in badminton is also one of the most frequently used stroke, which is the forehand stroke? And that includes the forehand smash, the forehand drive, and the forehand punch. You see, the most effective forehand stroke actually comprises of a hidden process, and that's the pronation. So what is pronation? Pronation refers to the inner rotation of the forearm. So what does pronation do? Pronation actually enhances that power that is generated from your feet significantly. And when does this pronation happen? Let's take the smash for an example. Now, pronation actually happens at midpoint of your smash. Now, make no mistake that pronation is a very versatile tool. It doesn't only work for smashes. And today I'm gonna show you how useful pronation is. This is pronation. Rotation of the forearm. This here is one of the most common mistakes I see in a lot of beginners and intermediate players. For those of you who are new to this channel, welcome. I am BadmintonB.